My shoes are still dirty from the last ride. Now, slowly, without anyone waking up, I have to get the bike out. So we are ready. It's 4:36, and we are off for a drive. So here we go. So we are here at Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple. This is in Yadadri Gutta. Recently, our Chief Minister KCR had completely made a makeover, and it's still under construction. But it's really beautiful and a marvel actually. So you can see everybody rushing for a darshan early in the morning. And today is a Sunday, and it's 6:10, and we are waiting for the sun to brighten up the day. Hello guys, namaste to everyone, and we are back on a ride again. So we are going to a place called as Ramappa Lake, and so we just halted for a sunrise point at a place called as Yadadri Temple. And hopefully at least today there will be some voice clarity. I always have trouble with the voice because of the wind resistance, wind blast, wind noise. So this quick shifter, once you cross the speed of 30 or 3000 RPM, um, you can easily, you don't need to use the clutch to go up and down. So generally for quick shifters is either down or either up. So this goes both ways. It's quite fun. Basically, Yadagiri Gutta is a very old temple, and it is inside the mountain cave. There's a cave in which there was a saint, I don't remember his name, I think it was Yada Maharshi, who had done a lot of penance, and a form of Lord Vishnu. In it was he, like appeared himself in 5 different forms, and which was at Yadagiri Gutta, and that's how the temple came up. And that's the basic story, but there's much more details. You can find it on the internet. Go on Warangal Highway, and we're gonna go past Warangal, and we're gonna go to a place called as Ramappa Lake, where there's also a famous temple called as Ramappa Temple. And there are many other points on the way which you can go if you have time or if the season is right. Something called as Bhimani Padam, an hour distance waterfall from Warangal, but we're not going to do that today. And of course, there is Thousand Pillar Temple in Warangal, and but we are a little early for that. But it is also a must to check out. So I've made a vlog before on Ramappa Temple, and do check it out. There's a link in description, and I'm going to try and put a link on the screen as well. So Ramappa Temple is a very very famous temple. It's a must visit and a must place to check it out. And then we're gonna stay at Ramappa Lake, but we're not gonna stay for the night. We're gonna ride back. We're gonna explore a little bit of Ramappa Lake. We're gonna go out and we're gonna chill and come back. And we're gonna leave at night. And the weather is good to drive. So let's see. It's somewhere around 11 o'clock, and we are on our way to Ramappa Lake. It is about a kilometer away from the temple, and it is one of the prominent reservoirs made by the Kakatiyas. So I think it is somewhere around 83 square kilometers or something like that. It's quite big. So many places around to check out. There is also Laknavaram Lake, which is much more beautiful than this place. I mean, according to me, it's a little bit smaller, but it's in the inside. I mean, there's a lot of forest coverage all around you, and it's just about 25 kilometers. And if you further go down more, there's a place called as Bagota Waterfalls and Kongala Waterfalls, and the drive is across a beautiful, beautiful forest, and it's almost a stretch of 10 kilometers of forest, and which is a must, ride for two-wheelers. So basically, this long forest stretch comes after Laknavaram, which goes towards Godavari. But anyways, we are here at the Ramappa Lake, so let's see. So we are here, and this is the lake. It's a really big lake, and it goes all the way there. And these are the rooms. These are the old rooms, and these rooms have a really good view. So do check before you book. And there's some boating as well here. Really nice, peaceful. Unfortunately, I forgot my fishing stick. Otherwise, I would have tried. There's a small island over there. So hopefully after a little while we'll go out and check out the water inside. So this is the room, and there's a washroom. Some broken sofa sets. We got a nice. This is some AC here. We got an AC room, and the view. Let's check out the view. A lot of monkeys. You gotta be careful. This is a view. Nice. So we didn't find lunch at the place where we were staying, but there's a small place where we found some really good biryani to eat. We rested in the afternoon, and we are out now. We saw the temple, and we are just exploring the places around. It's really beautiful. So we are here near the lake, and that's where we were staying in the morning. And this is the Ramappa Lake. We went for a boat ride as well. And the sun is almost about to set. And the boys are busy clicking. So that's that. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.